Hi, boys and girls. I'm sitting here just thinking about rock crystals. Yeah, and I thought if I had some rocks here, added some crystals to it, that maybe it could be a shortcut into creating rock crystals. It's not working. So, today, boys and girls, it's time for Silly Science. But today we have Silly Science special guest. We have Mackenzie, who's 10, Addison, who's 9, and Avery, who's 5 years old. They will be presenting to us Borax rock crystals. And I can't wait because they're probably a little bit better than what I've got, right? So girls, why don't you go ahead and show us how to make these Borax crystals?
Hi, teacher. I'm so happy to be here with you and your friends today.
My name is Addison.
My name's Avery.
My name is Mackenzie, and I love science and rocks. I have over 50 rocks in my rocks collection. And today, we're going to be showing you how to make borax crystals. And for this experiment, we'll need pipe cleaners,
Ooh.
yarn, water, pencil, spoon, or popsicle stick for the yarn, a jar, some borax, and some food coloring to spice it up.
And we're gonna use the color blue.
Yay!
So make sure you have an adult to boil your water.
Yep.
The first step is to tie 3 pipe cleaners together. Very long.
As you can see, Mackenzie already tied 3 together.
Yes.
Oh gosh. So then you make sure you tie it in a little loop to fit the jar.
And make sure it's small enough to fit the jar, or else it will get stuck at the bottom and the sides. You do not want that to happen.
In a little loop.
It's really bad.
And then the next step is to put the end of the pipe cleaner into the loop. And then keep repeating this step until it makes the shape of the crystal. Almost there.
Twist. Ooh, look at that.
Whoa,
Ooh,
this is gonna turn out good.
Yep, I think it's gonna be. Whoa, and this is to make the shape of the crystal.
I wonder what the blue's gonna look like.
I think it's gonna be a pretty blue.
Yes, I think it's gonna be like a sky blue.
Oh, mysterious dark blue. Okay.
Okay,
Mackenzie?
I have the finished crystal model.
Yay!
Yep.
Whoa, looks really cool.
Now
We're gonna use our string to tie it to put it into the jar. This is how it's supposed to be.
Yes.
Yep.
Can I hold it?
Sure.
Ooh.
So the next step is to have your pencil. Tie this to the other end of the pencil.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, I wonder what it's gonna look like. It'll maybe look like
this.
It'll maybe look like a star that's round, but it's
So
blue.
she has it tied. Now we need the boiled water, right?
Yeah.
And our mom has already boiled the water, so let's go get that.
We have our boiling water. It's really hot.
We need goggles for this.
No, I don't.
This is too hot. It's gonna burn our eyeballs.
Now we need the borax.
Okay, so let's pour all of this borax into the hot water.
It's really, really hot. Maybe I should use this towel.
Just in case.
Yes.
Careful. Precision. Careful.
Okay, I think that's good.
Yeah.
So maybe now we should stir? How do we do that?
Yeah, stir.
Don't
Make sure
spill
to
it.
get the borax at the bottom.
Don't spill it.
Yeah,
It's really hot.
it's gonna.
I'm holding the very tip of the spoon.
Slow and steady wins the stirring race, right?
Okay, be really
Like the tortoise in the hair.
really careful.
Just like mix it into the cloudy world.
Make sure you never touch boiling water.
It can burn your skin off.
See if it can.
Stirring.
Whoa. Okay, so now we need to put it in when everything's rising. It takes about 8 to 12 hours for it to crystallize.
Wait, hold on. Don't we need to put some food coloring in it?
Yeah.
Let's get some blue.
Yay!
How many? Here are our borax crystals. Let's take them out.
Yay, they're ready!
Yeah. Whoa. Put it on the napkin to let it dry off.
Came off.
That looks so cool.
Wait, we need scissors to cut the string off right here.
I really had that.
Precision, precise, and cut.
Got it.
That looks so blue. That looks like a sky blue.
Yeah.
Whoa. This is so cool.
That's a really pretty blue.
Yeah.
Whoa. And the jar looks dark blue, but this came out light blue. What a coincidence.
Yeah.
Why is the string green?
What?
Why is it green?
I don't know.
Oh, and guys, we also made a red one just for fun.
Yeah.
To show what it would look like if it was red. Doesn't it look really cool?
If you wanted to do your favorite color red, here it is.
Yes.
It looks very cool. So, bye!
So just do the borax crystal, the rock crystals, just the way the girls have shown you. That was pretty cool, wasn't it? I love the change and those chemical reactions and all of that. That was really cool. So thank you for being here with me today. And if you want to know more about rock crystals, then I would love for you to go to our resource page at pbslearningmedia.org. And you can find so much about rock crystals, about rocks or crystals or rock crystals or borax crystals. Any of that you can find on that resource page, okay? And when you do these experiments and everything like the girls did, why don't you take pictures and send those to me, and they'll come directly to me. You can do that at WKNO, teacher@gmail.com, and it comes to me, and I would just love to see all the fantastic, wonderful things that you're doing, okay? So thank you for being here with me today, boys and girls, and thank you to the International Paper Foundation for making our silly science happen, even our silly science with special guests. So until next time, Teacher says bye-bye.